Hey, Pager, not seen you in ages. What you been up to?
Elon Musk implanted a chip into my brain. He's been making me play Mind Pong.
Is it any good?
It is crap. Not as good as Soul Calibur 2.
Did you volunteer for this?
Did I, heck? He kidnapped me from my favourite tree and ruined my haircut. Naughty, naughty.
I bet he can control you now, can make you do anything.
Project Mayhem is discovered. Kill all humans, kill all humans. And if you think Elon Musk is going to unleash a killer cyborg ape army to wipe us all out, why don't you subscribe to Shamsaman Comic on YouTube for more? Kill all humans, kill all humans.
Ooh, ah!